Hey guys, what is up? It's Rooster Gaming here, and today we are on my realm, and I do apologize if there's a bit of echo. I'm playing on my phone. I just have an Xbox controller connected because my Xbox is being wonky right now. Oh my god. This is my realm. I've had it for probably a couple weeks now. I just wanted to show it to you guys. Also, with the connected controller, I can like not sprint and stuff for some reason. So that's gonna suck. I'm just gonna show you guys around my world a bit. We already killed the Ender Dragon and such. Also, guys, I'm close to getting all of the I'm close to getting all of the achievements done on my Xbox. But since I'm playing on my phone, it's not gonna show up, I think. Yeah. I didn't even know my friend was on here. He's most likely AFKing. But here's kind of where we started out, or we started out up there. Here's my ugly house. I don't use that house anymore. Here is my friend's house, Eat Master. He doesn't use this house anymore. This is Aftermath YT's house. This is my brother Eli's house. That's our nether portal. That's that thing right there was his mine. These are the shopping districts. You guys might recognize this. Then here's my friend Logan's shop, which he's not gonna be. He's gonna change what he's working as. He was in the farming business, but he's switching to like landscaping. Daniel, aka Emerald Bread, was also in the farming business, but he is actually changed to banners. Here me, Daniel, and my friend Logan have a trio. He probably wasn't even on here, probably just lagging. This is the Creeper Killer's headquarters, which is not much in it right now. We are landscaping currently. This is not a griefer or anything, just so you guys know. Oh wait, the tunnel. Here's the tunnel. Me and Logan, aka Eat Master, worked on this. It was his farm, but it was getting griefed by the sheep, which is pretty much like the poultry man of the world, I guess. Here's the bank that I'm gonna be making. Here's my friend's house. There's not much in there. He's got like smelting places. Wait, no, actually, I think he was working on here. We got a farm, enchantment place, a mine, a tree farm. Up here is where I was starting a villager breeder, but it just didn't work out as I planned. I might do something with it eventually. I'm not sure right now. I had a tube to go down here, where some TNT accidentally blew up. We're gonna stay in here for them, but yeah. We were also landscaping and some TNT went over here. So sorry, Daniel. We're also trying to get rid of the pillager outpost. Yeah, this is Daniel's house. Right here is the trading hall. I'm gonna try and make it all librarians. I only got one in here currently, but we got some good trades, like sharpness 5, Frostwalker, Fortune. I guess the guy with the mending book died, because there was a guy with the mending book. Here's my house. I got lots of farming materials, I guess. Oh, this won't even work, I guess. Oops. But yeah, we got sugarcane and stuff, and here's just my basic house. Got 2 cats, and yes, I'm not gonna lie, this is a duplication machine. I don't consider it cheating because it's a glitch. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. Maybe you guys can convince me to stop. I don't heavily duplicate. If I need more blocks and such, I'll duplicate them. I've duplicated some enchantment books. I've duplicated elytras. I've duplicated Totem of Undyings that we got from raids. This is all pure survival though. So over here, oh, this is where I did the 500 meters achievement. On my Xbox. I swear I'm not even going up. I am not. It was a ghost moving or something. I'm not really sure. So down here we have a skeleton farm. There's a place where you can wait up there, so I did not even want to go up. That's where you can like wait so it spawns better. Also guys, I got mending on all of my stuff, so yeah. Oh wait, here. I'm going to switch to classic mode really quick. Not like pocket mode at all. I just think it's annoying to look at. Oh, just random stuff. Sorry about that, guys. That noise keeps coming from my Xbox. If you guys know why it does that, let me know. It didn't used to do that, but I had to like reset because live wasn't working, but then they just later said that it was just a glitch. This is Suction Fishy's house, aka Daniel's cousin. Yeah. That is, oh wait, he was the first thing I ever built on here. I did not put this water in here. That's weird. I did not put that water in there. Oh god. Oh god. I'm gonna drown. Oh thank gosh. Oh, also, this was a sugarcane farm, but I'm not using it anymore. So yeah. Also, we are like setting up nether hubs and stuff. We have a little base in the nether. I'm not gonna disclose the location. We've also found ocean monuments that we will most likely be exploring soon. But yeah, guys, that was just kind of like my first little video on the realm. If you guys want to see more, let me know. I accidentally purchased mine coins the other day, so I was gonna have it for 3 months, but I can only have it for 2 now. We're probably about halfway through the first month, but yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Do all that. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.